broadcast was requested by the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming to inform you of breaking news. France has declared war on Russia after 3 Russian fighter jets had bombed France's famous tourist attraction, the Eiffel Tower. The President of France, Emmanuel Macron, has stated that they will use nuclear weapons on Russian bases as a form of retaliation if they keep invading their country. Russian President Vladimir Putin mocked the French president, saying that they alone won't be able to face their nuclear weapons. All countries that are a part of the United Nations are asked to meet at General Assembly Hall in New York City to discuss of this urgent battle going on. To all American citizens hearing this, we ask you to please stay calm during this time.